Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to create and set up a Stripe account step by step in 2025. If you want to accept payments online for your website, Shopify store or freelance work, Stripe is one of the most trusted and easiest payment processors out there. So grab a copy, hit the like button and let's get your Stripe account set up and running in first a few minutes. So first of all, what actually is Stripe? So Stripe is an online payment processor that lets you accept credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and many more. Millions of businesses use it, from solo freelancers to big companies, because it is reliable, secure, and easy to integrate with popular platforms like Shopify, Wix, WordPress, and more. The best part, setting up a Stripe account is completely free, so you only pay a small fee when you actually make a sale. Now let's talk about sign up an Stripe account. Let's go into this. Head over to the stripe.com and click the start now button. Here you just need to provide your email address like that. Let's copy our email address from that place. I do not remember my address, that is the problem. So I will copy that one and I will provide in here and just click to the start now button. Once I click over here, you will be asked for your email address, full name, then create your secure passport. Make sure you use an email you check regularly. Stripe will send you important notification about your payouts and customer. You just need to click create account and you will be taken to your brand new Stripe dashboard. So here let's provide our address. So here you just need to provide the address, full name. I'm going to give a full name, and then you just need to provide the password. Let's provide a password in here and just select this one. My password is not enough strong, so I will give an strong password. When I did it, as you can see, it become an strong. So let's click on create an account. Once I click over here, you will see an account already exists with this email. If you would like to create new Stripe account, manage Stripe account with same email address, sign in and follow the instruction. So here you can see we already have an existing account, so we just need to log in. So once you are logged in, you just need to click on sign in. Once you come over that place, or you can go with the sign in with Google. This is the easiest one, so I will go with that place, and here you just need to click on continue. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to the dashboard panel. So now the comes up to activate our account. Stripe account is created, but you cannot accept payment yet. Next, you need to activate it by providing some business info. On your dashboard, you will see a big button that says activate your account. You just need to click it. Like we are right now on Sandbox. If you go to the live account, you will get to see something like this, and here you just need to be activate your account. On your dashboard, you will definitely see that activate button. Stripe will ask for your business type, like it would be an individual, solo proprietor, or company, or non-profit. Then here you can see you already get this button. So here you just need to provide your all details. The business type I already mentioned. Then once you complete that process, like let's select this one. Do you have like unregistered business? Do you have business that have an employee? No. Just select this one, no, and then click to the continue. Once you click over here, then it will come over into the business details, like where you operate from. So here you can see that they are asking for the personal details and phone number, and they will give us the security number also. Then they will ask you for the website. If you don't have one, you can enter your social media or explain your products or service. Then a short product description, when or what you are selling or offering. Be honest and clear. This helps Stripe verify you faster. Then they are asked for the personal and bank info. Like Stripe needs your personal details. As you can see, they are asking for the personal details. Then they will ask for the bank information, so they know where to send your money. You will need to enter your full legal name and date of birth, your phone number of security verifications, your bank account details, so Stripe can deposit your payout directly. Double check your bank info. Even a small typo can delay your payments. Then you just need to verify your identity. So here you can see review and submit. So here and that place, you just need to verify it. Stripe takes security seriously, so they will ask you to verify your identity. Usually you will need to upload a government issued ID like a passport or driver's license. You might also be asked for a quick selfie to match your ID. Stripe system use this to protect against fraud. Once you submit your ID, Stripe will review it. This usually makes or takes a few minutes to a couple of a day. So once you're done, now you just need to set up your payment method. Once your account is verified, you can decide which payment methods you want to accept. Stripe automatically enables major credits and debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, but you can also turn on options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, ACH bank transfer, buy now, pay later in some countries. Local payment methods like Ideals, SCFP, and Alipay depending on your region. The more payment options you offer, the easier it is for customer to buy. So integrate Stripe with your website or store. Your account is now ready. Let's go to our demo one, that will be the sandbox one. So your account is ready. Now you need to connect Stripe to your website or online store. If you're using Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, or WooCommerce, this is super simple. Just go into your store's payment setting, choose Stripe, and click connect. You will log into your Stripe account, app the connections, and boom, your store is ready to set up the payments or accept the payments. If you are using a custom website, Stripe also has plugin and easy to use APIs, but most beginners won't need to touch any codes. Then once you feel all are done, now test and go live. Before you go live, Stripe lets you do test transaction to make sure everything looks smoothly, and use Stripe test card numbers to run a fake purchase and see how your checkout works. The real money is evolved. Once you are happy, switch from test mode to live mode in your dashboard. Now you are ready to accept real money. So here you can see the dashboard. That dashboard will look something like this. So here you just need to verify your email, then verify your complete your profile. So the process of creating an Stripe account is really simple. Here you can see they have couple of options. We have, as you can see, that the tax, connect, identity. So you just need to click on of them, and once you click over here, actually you will able to see all the necessary things in here. Then you are able to see the transaction in that place, then see the balance over that place. So it is all in one place. So it really reduces your stress and work if you are using the Stripe. Then if you want to make any payment link, you can also do it with the Stripe. Like you just need to click over here payments, and then you can click on payment links. From that place you can create your test payment link also just by clicking one word. Here you just need to add a product and then give a price, and then you will get eventual the payment link, and through the payment link you can accept payments from your customer or your clients. This is the easiest one. So I hope you understand how easy the process was to create an Stripe account and set up the account also. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.